What you doing?
Now breakfast burrito and Daddy too.
That's good. What did we make this for?
Daddy's birthday.
That's enough, sweetie. Daddy's birthday. You did it all by yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, I'll get it.
I can get it.
You gonna get it?
Yeah.
Turn it over. You gotta turn it over. There you go. Hold it close to the burrito. Good job. A little more. Hold it close. Sweetie, hold it close. Okay. Okay, good job. That would be a disaster if it fell in the salsa. That's right. Just do a tiny, tiny bit for Molly. That's not tiny. There you go. It's spicy. Okay. Fold it up. Good job. That's good.